turning managers into leaders, helping people shine.
Welcome, trailblazing leaders. Have you ever noticed how managing time in a hybrid team can feel like juggling in a circus? Today, we're embarking on a journey to master one of the most crucial aspects of team efficiency, leveraging time management tools for teams. Are you ready to transform the way your team handles time, balancing productivity with well-being? I'm going to walk you through the outline of a workshop that you can deliver that will not only enhance your team's time management skills, but also address the unique hurdles of a hybrid work environment. Let's embark on a journey to make every second count. Picture this: your team, though spread across various locations, working like a well-oiled machine. The key? A workshop that begins with a story, perhaps about a day when seamless time management led to extraordinary team achievements. Use this story to spark a discussion about the common time management pitfalls in hybrid settings. This sets the stage and gets everyone on the same wavelength. Now, dive into the heart of the workshop: practical time management tools for teams. This is where interactive elements come into play. Start with a fun interactive poll to assess everyone's current time management methods. This can be done using real-time digital polling tools, engaging all team members no matter where they are. Then discuss a combination of digital tools like shared calendars, time tracking apps, project management software. Demonstrate how these tools can be used in daily work routines, both for remote and in-office team members. Then introduce the time management fundamentals with a twist. Use engaging visuals to explain concepts like prioritization and goal setting, but here's where it gets interesting. Tailor these concepts to hybrid work. Discuss how to balance synchronous and asynchronous work, manage distractions at home, and ensure clear communication across different work environments. Next on the agenda is to get hands-on. Break your team into small groups for a brainstorming session on innovative time management strategies that are suitable for hybrid work. Encourage them to think outside the traditional office box and to adapt what they've just learned to their own needs. Remember, a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work in hybrid teams. So discuss how different strategies might suit different roles within your teams. A salesperson might need a different approach compared to a developer, for instance. As we move towards the conclusion of your workshop, it's time for reflection and planning. Encourage each team member to identify one time management tool they found the most useful and commit to integrating that into their daily routine. This helps in personalizing the experience and ensuring that each member takes away something valuable that they're actually going to put into action. And it not only encourages application, but it also fosters a culture of continuous improvement. So here's what's really cool about this process. At the end of the workshop, your team will be equipped with several effective time management tools for teams that can revolutionize the way they work in a hybrid setting. I'm eager to learn how your time management workshop goes. What strategies resonated most with your team? Share your success stories and let's inspire each other to master the art of time management in our diverse and dynamic teams. Hey, listen, if this isn't a workshop you want to lead yourself, give us a call. I've delivered many similar workshops to help teams build their productivity, and I'd be glad to work with you. Just reach out through our website. Until we connect again, keep leading with a focus on efficiency and balance. Here's to a future where every team member excels at managing their time, contributing to a thriving and productive work environment. This is Gupta-Sunderji with a Merge Management Moment.
Turning managers into leaders,